guys! We are gonna be making sugar cookies today. Let's go on to the video. In a bowl, you are going to be putting flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, mix it a little bit and put it to the side. You need a separate bowl. 2 sticks of butter. Got 1. There we go. Okay. We are going to measure light brown sugar and regular sugar.
Push the little power button on the thing to read 0.
You're gonna pour the sugar into the butter. You're gonna mix it until it's nice and white and fluffy. We're gonna crack this egg inside of here.
No, break it apart.
Now you're gonna need vanilla.
1, yep, and then 1 more.
1 more.
Perfect, that's it.
We are gonna pour the flour inside of here. Make sure to get all of it. Now we're gonna mix it. This. This is what it should look like. We're gonna put it in the fridge. For 1 hour. All done. It's done!
Make sure to have a small bowl of sugar ready. You're gonna be rolling the cookie dough in the sugar. And also make sure to preheat your oven at 350.
Make sure to have adult supervision.
Put it in the Look at it. It's so cute. It's penguin.
Flip it around.
And we're gonna put it in the oven for 7 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. Our sugar cookies are done.
I want to taste test it.
Go ahead, go on. The little baby one is the ones that she put down. Really good. Try this one.
I need this one too. It's very good.
That's delicious.
Hopefully you made the cookies. Comment down below if they taste good.
Give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
2 sticks of butter.
There you go.
Stew